For Enoch Pratt, a warm welcome to the library has been a fantastic way to kick off our winter programming. It welcomes more families into the library than we would usually have. It's a great push to sign folks up for library cards, check out books. It's a fantastic opportunity for partnership with not just Operation Warm, but our local partner, the Walters Art Museum. And of course, it provides our kiddos who come in here every day with a warm coat so that they can get to the library safely.
So I love the fact that, we're able to give this to the community, but also they get a book. I mean, we're able to merge community need with early literacy. So often, when there are these coat drives or anything, they don't focus on the younger children, and we focus this time on toddlers to kind of that first and second grade. And I know there's a need for everyone, but it's so grateful that we're going to be able to merge early literacy with this. So that's why I'm so happy that we have this here.
My 8-year-old, we do our homework here, his homework, because it's a better environment for him to do homework. When he's finished, he can read books or play on the computers. I check books out myself too.
I love the generosity of spirit more than anything else in Operation Warm. The folks at Operation Warm are so generous with their time, their resources, their beautiful new coats, and their ideas for partnership going forward.
We're giving new warm winter coats that provide warmth, hope, and confidence, but today also get families in the door at libraries to learn about all the great programs and resources they have. We wouldn't be here today without the generous funding of the Harry and Jeanette Weinberg Foundation and the great work that the librarians do here at the Brooklyn branch.